Have you ever been stuck trying to figure out how to handle multiple tasks completing at the same time in your code? It can be quite a puzzle, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to effectively use Task.WaitAny when dealing with multiple tasks. I totally understand your frustration. It's annoying when you expect to capture all completed tasks, but you only get one index back. You're definitely not alone in this. Many developers face this challenge when working with asynchronous programming. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user asked, "How can I capture all the completed tasks indexes when using Task.WaitAny?" They mentioned that they are replacing completed tasks in a fixed-length array, but they want to know how to handle multiple tasks completing at the same time. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the issue here? When you call Task.WaitAny, it only returns the index of the first task that completes. This can be problematic if multiple tasks finish simultaneously. Understanding this limitation is crucial for finding a solution. And stick around, I have a great workaround at the end that will help you capture all completed tasks efficiently. To capture all completed tasks when using Task.Any, the user should first create a list to store the indexes of completed tasks. This will allow them to track multiple tasks that finish at the same time. Next, the user can enter a loop that continues until all tasks are completed. Inside this loop, they will call Task.WaitAny to wait for any task to complete and capture the index. After capturing the index of the completed task, the user should replace that task in the array with a new task. This ensures that the task array remains at a fixed length. Finally, once all tasks are completed, the user can process the list of completed task indexes as needed. This allows them to handle all tasks that finished at the same time. Fun fact, did you know that the concept of multitasking in computers dates back to the 1960s? It's amazing how far we've come, but sometimes it still feels like we're juggling too many balls in the air. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests that when using Task.WaitAny, you don't need to worry about multiple tasks finishing at the same time. Instead, they recommend using Task.WhenAny, which will return the index of one completed task. You can then replace that task with a new one and call Task.WhenAny again. This process continues until all tasks are completed. Here's the key takeaway. By using Task.WhenAny in a loop, you can effectively manage multiple tasks completing at the same time. This approach will save you a lot of headaches in your coding journey. And there you have it. You now have a solid strategy for capturing all completed tasks when using Task.WaitAny. Remember, coding is all about finding solutions. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and keep coding confidently.